Alright, so we're taking a look at the AUTOPHIX 3210 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. This uses OBD Mate as far as the app, which is compatible with Android and iOS. And just a helpful hint, do not connect this device to your phone through the Bluetooth. Rather, go into the actual app and make the connection there so you don't have a failure to communicate with the device. It does have LED indicators that will indicate the connectivity status in relation to the vehicle and to the phone or tablet. Alright, so this can do a great deal of things. It has a nice rubber coating, so gripping it is going to be easy as far as removing it. It does come with this hard case, which is convenient for carry and storage. Keep it in a glove box somewhere handy. You do have a multi-language user manual, and this is the box that it arrives in. So this scanner is capable of a variety of different features and abilities. You can read and clear codes, IM readiness checks, you could do data stream, evap system tests, generate reports, DTC lookup. It does have a built-in database for error codes, and it also has a Google search option, so you can do further research if you desire to do so. Freeze frame, O2 sensor, onboard monitoring, real-time battery voltage, vehicle information, and they do have a help section built in to the app in case you need further information or assistance in using the actual application. And now what I'd like to do is take this, plug it into the car, and try to give you an idea of some of the aspects the app offers. So you can Alright, so in the car you basically plug in the device, start the car up, open the application. It'll actually walk you through the connectivity process. It's very quick. So as you can see, this is the main screen. We have diagnostics, dashboard, monitor, performance test, battery check, and settings. If we scroll over, we have trip, DTC lookup, evap system, flashlight, and transmission. So I can go through and test the battery, for example. Performance test, so if I wanted to check and do a quick run to maybe 0 to 60 miles an hour. Monitor, we'll give it a moment to detect. We can see all the different parameters, so we can get a real quick check, look over IM readiness. If we go to dashboard, you can see we have real-time readout. We can look at different parameters here and check out a few things very quickly and very easily. And of course, diagnostics. We'll go through the detection process, and there's no fault codes on this car, so I don't have to clear anything. But here I can find out more about actual problems I'm having. And if I go back to settings here, you can see some of the different aspects you can change. Communications, units, alarm. So you can actually set an alarm if a certain speed is reached, for example, or if you have a certain water temperature that's reached. So you don't have to worry about overheating. If we go to trip, we can actually get some information and actually keep a report on the actual trip. DTC lookup, if we have a code, we can look that up here. Our evap system, it's not supported on this vehicle, but if it were, I could get information on that here. Flashlight is just going to turn the flashlight on the back of the phone, which is nice if you're looking around trying to do something there. And then you have the actual start button here. I'm not going to press, but it will go through and read all the parameters related to the transmission and give you information on that. Here on the end, if you want to, you can create an account, and here you can put in all the information relative to the car that you actually have. So as you can see, it's very quick, very easy. There is a little bit of a help section there in case you need it, so you can figure out more as far as connectivity and just the general usage. So all in all, for something that fits in your glove box or center console, very, very nice amount of data that is available. and it would definitely be nice to be able to read and clear codes whenever necessary, or check the status before taking it and finding out that your car is going to fail when it goes for inspection. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the application and the actual device features and functions.